Hey, YouTube. I'm over here in this call. They say they got too much heat. So I'm here to check it out, but I'm just waiting for these people to open the gate so they could let me in. The house all fenced up. They got a big gate. So soon they let me in. We're gonna check that out. Okay, now the gate's open. All right, so let's go in and check it out. What's going on with this one? This one over here. I got a problem with this damper over here. Just stuck in the open position, and this thing keep running all the time. Let's say basement call for heat. This first floor, the east and the first floor, it will heat up too because this thing over here stayed open. But now look what they did over here. They put this pipe over here. How am I gonna get this thing out of here? You know, they put this pipe over here. This pipe over here, and I'm not gonna be able to do. This is like 18 inches long. Wow. Look at what they did. Look at how long, how big is that damper? How am I gonna get out of there? This thing is huge too. You know, sometimes you gotta watch those plumber, you know, because they like to throw pipe everywhere. Look. You know, I don't know, man. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get that. Either that or maybe get away, see if I could get away just by replacing just a motor there. It would be sweet. Let me take it out, see how bad it looks. And probably the motor just burned out. Alright, let me do that. It's a little set screw over here. I'm gonna disconnect it over here, slide it right out, and then take this Phillips screwdriver, 1 and 2, and the whole thing should slide right out. So let me do that. Set screw first. This one. This is an old style damper, man. This is a real old style. This is the coil. This is the heating coil. Hydro system. They use this coil to heat up. Same like damper over here. Real old stuff. Real old stuff. Let me take it out. Okay. Got it there. Put it together. And I tested. And it worked. I was hoping it was not the damper, but it's not, because there's no way I'm going to get out. They got this piece of pipe over here. So I put a motor in and tested. I went up there. I turned the damper in the basement. Then this one closed. And had it off upstairs. So I went upstairs. And I ran the one upstairs. I lowered the thermostat. It came over here. It opened up. So it's working. And I came down here and I shut this one off down the basement, so it's open. So if it's nothing calling for here, all these damper, they gotta stay in the open position. Now when I turn the basement on, this damper is gonna close. Okay, it's gonna close, so let's do that. And you shut up. Let's do that. Hopefully the compressor. All right, so let's lower it down. There you go. It's a real old style. So now that damper should be closing now. And it is closing. Let's see. See here. See how. Bam. Close. So I'm gonna shut it off. Shut it off by raising it. This is an old style setup. You know, and that console there, I control. A lot of old house got this type of system. Sit over here. The switch there. You know, when it's for heat, you gotta. In the summertime, when it's for cooling, they gotta put over here. They got the dial different for heating and cooling. So I'm gonna leave it on cooling because I'm pretty sure they're gonna be using the air conditioner. So man, bro, this is tight over here. So let me push the thing together. Put it back together, and then that's it. I'm out of here. That's it. All right, let me wrap this thing up. So, it's old style damper. You know, now we got the new one, which you need one. Because usually I would get a whole new damper. Well, because the drain is over here.